The power to create a new world lies within the human imagination. Neville Goddard.
Life can often feel like a whirlwind of distractions and noise, making it challenging to stay grounded and focused on what truly matters. Amid the constant hustle and the endless array of responsibilities and desires, it's easy to lose sight of the deeper, more profound aspects of existence. Yet, when you turn your attention to what really matters, you find yourself aligning more closely with the divine essence that underlies all of creation. This alignment isn't just a lofty idea, it is a practical and transformative process that leads to a deeper connection with the divine. The journey toward this divine connection begins with the recognition of the eternal within the temporal. The world around us is full of temporary pleasures and fleeting concerns, but these should not overshadow the eternal truths that guide our lives. When you focus on what truly matters, such as love, compassion, and understanding, you start to see beyond the superficial layers of life. This shift in perspective opens a pathway to a more profound spiritual experience where you align with the essence of your being and the divine presence that infuses all existence. Understanding that every moment is an opportunity to reconnect with the divine is crucial. This means shifting your focus from external achievements and material gains to inner fulfillment and spiritual growth. By dedicating time to introspection, meditation, and self-awareness, you begin to recognize and cultivate the divine presence within you. This inner journey is not about abandoning the material world, but about reordering your priorities so that the eternal aspects of life take precedence. A key part of this process involves realigning your values and actions with your spiritual aspirations. Often we become so engrossed in the demands of daily life that we neglect our spiritual needs. However, when you consciously choose to focus on what aligns with your higher self, such as acts of kindness, nurturing relationships, and personal growth, you find that your life starts to reflect the divine principles you hold dear. This alignment creates a sense of peace and fulfillment that transcends the temporary challenges and distractions. Additionally, when you make a consistent effort to focus on what truly matters, you cultivate a deeper sense of purpose and meaning. This involves setting aside time for reflection and being mindful of your intentions.
Whether through prayer, meditation, or other spiritual practices, dedicating time to reconnect with your core values allows you to live a life that is more aligned with your true self.
As you align your daily actions with your spiritual goals, you begin to experience a greater sense of harmony and connection with the divine. This approach requires discipline and intentionality. It's about choosing to live each day with a sense of purpose and devotion to what truly matters. By prioritizing your spiritual well-being and making conscious choices that reflect your inner values, you foster a deeper connection with the divine. This connection is not just a theoretical concept, but a lived experience that enriches every aspect of your life. Moreover, focusing on what really matters also means being present and fully engaged in each moment. It involves letting go of past regrets and future anxieties to fully experience the now. This mindfulness allows you to appreciate the divine presence in every moment, enhancing your spiritual connection. When you live with intention and awareness, you find that your relationship with the divine becomes more vivid and meaningful. Your journey toward this deeper connection is unique to you, and it's important to honor your personal path. There are no rigid formulas or prescribed methods for achieving this connection. Rather, it's about finding what resonates with you and consistently aligning with that. As you navigate this path, you'll discover that focusing on what really matters brings you closer to the divine presence that is always within reach. The more you center yourself on these core values and spiritual truths, the more your life will reflect this divine alignment. By making a conscious effort to live in accordance with your higher self, you create a space where the divine can manifest fully in your life. This is a journey of continual growth and discovery, where every step taken in alignment with your true self brings you closer to the divine essence that guides and sustains you. As you get deeper into aligning with what truly matters, consider the transformative power of your intentions. Every thought and belief you hold shapes your reality. When you consciously choose to focus on what aligns with your higher purpose, you begin to witness shifts in your external circumstances that reflect your internal changes. This is not merely about visualizing or wishing for something, it's about a fundamental shift in your inner state that leads to outward manifestations. One of the profound aspects of focusing on your true values is the way it influences your relationships. As you cultivate a deeper connection with your inner self, you naturally start to interact with others from a place of authenticity and compassion. This shift in your approach to relationships can lead to more meaningful and harmonious interactions. You become more attuned to the needs and feelings of those around you, fostering deeper connections and creating a supportive environment that reflects your inner growth. Additionally, when you align your actions with your spiritual goals, you often find that challenges and obstacles become opportunities for growth rather than sources of stress. This perspective shift allows you to approach life's difficulties with a sense of purpose and resilience. Instead of being overwhelmed by setbacks, you view them as chances to refine your understanding and strengthen your connection with your higher self. This attitude not only helps you navigate challenges more effectively, but also deepens your spiritual insight. Your commitment to focusing on what matters most also influences your overall sense of well-being. As you prioritize spiritual and emotional fulfillment over temporary pleasures, you experience a profound sense of contentment that transcends fleeting moments of happiness. This inner peace is a reflection of your alignment with your true self and a sign that you are living in harmony with your core values. The stability and joy that come from this alignment provide a solid foundation for facing life's uncertainties with confidence and grace. Moreover, this journey of focusing on what truly matters can inspire others to embark on their own paths of self-discovery and spiritual growth. When you live authentically and demonstrate the benefits of aligning with your higher purpose, you naturally influence those around you. Your example becomes a beacon of inspiration, encouraging others to explore their own spiritual journeys and cultivate a deeper connection with the divine. To enhance this process, consider incorporating daily practices that reinforce your focus on what truly matters. Journaling about your spiritual experiences, engaging in regular meditation, and setting aside time for self-reflection are powerful ways to maintain this alignment. These practices help you stay centered and attuned to your inner guidance, ensuring that your actions consistently reflect your deepest values. The impact of focusing on what matters extends beyond personal growth. It influences your entire approach to life. As you align with your higher purpose, you begin to see every aspect of your life, whether it's your career, relationships, or personal aspirations, through a different lens. This holistic perspective allows you to make choices that are congruent with your true self, leading to a more fulfilling and harmonious existence. Ultimately, the practice of focusing on what truly matters is about living a life of purpose and authenticity. By continually aligning your actions with your inner values and spiritual goals, you create a reality that reflects your deepest aspirations and desires. This alignment not only enhances your own life, but also positively impacts those around you, fostering a ripple effect of positive change and spiritual growth. In conclusion, as you continue on this path, remind that every step you take in alignment with your true values brings you closer to a deeper connection with the divine. Your journey is unique and deeply personal, and it unfolds through your commitment to living authentically and purposefully. By focusing on what really matters, you pave the way for a life that is rich with meaning, fulfillment, and divine connection. As you move forward with the intention of focusing on what truly matters, so this is a continuous process of realignment and growth. By prioritizing your spiritual values and dedicating time to inner reflection, you deepen your connection with the divine. This approach is not about rejecting the material world, but about finding a harmonious balance between your spiritual aspirations and everyday life. Your journey towards a closer connection with the divine is personal and unique, and it unfolds through your consistent efforts to align your actions and values with your higher self. If this message resonates with you, please show your support by liking this video. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments to engage with others on this transformative path. To stay updated with more content that explores these profound teachings, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Your subscription ensures that you receive timely updates on new videos that can further guide and inspire you. If you know someone who could benefit from these insights, consider sharing this video with them. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content that fosters spiritual growth and understanding.